In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening on your PC. Let's get started. First, completely close the Rockstar Games Launcher. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Skip on your keyboard to open Task Manager, or right-click on your taskbar. Once you're in this page, search for Rockstar Games Launcher. Once you find it, right-click on it and select the option End Task. This will close them fully. Once everything is closed, try launching the app again. Next up, navigate to the Rockstar Games Launcher. Select the option Run as Administrator. This might fix your issue. Next, search for Windows Security. Launch it. Now here you're gonna find this option Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that. Under that, you're gonna find the option Manage Settings. Click on it. Scroll all the way down and head over to the section Exclusions. Then click on it. Now click on this option Add an Exclusion. Click on Folder. Select the Rockstar Games Launcher folder. Add it. Repeat the process and add the entire folder as an exclusion as well. After that, restart your PC and try opening the launcher again. One more thing, you can try uninstalling OneDrive if you don't use it. Launch your settings, go to Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive, click on three dots and select the option Uninstall. Sometimes OneDrive can interfere with the launcher, and that's it. These steps should help fix the Rockstar Games Launcher issue on your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.